Hi everyone, welcome back to QuickBite Kitchen. Today we're making something sweet, colorful, and super trendy. It's UBE, that beautiful purple yam dessert that's taking the world by storm. What is UBE? UBE is a purple yam originally from the Philippines. It has a nutty, vanilla-like flavor, and it's perfect for desserts like ice cream, pancakes, and cakes. Guess what? You don't need to travel to try it. We're making it at home. Recipe today, I'll show you how to make an easy UBE Halaya, a creamy sweet UBE jam that you can enjoy as a spread, a dessert base, or just by the spoonful. Ingredients you'll need: 2 cups grated or mashed UBE purple yam, fresh or frozen, 1 can 14 ounces sweetened condensed milk, 1 can 12 ounces, evaporated milk 1/2 cup coconut milk, or whole milk 1/4 cup unsalted butter, 1 tsp vanilla extract optional. Pinch of salt. Step-by-step cooking. Step 1. In a large non-stick pan, melt butter over medium heat. Step 2. Add mashed UBE and stir for 2 to 3 minutes. Step 3. Pour in condensed milk, evaporated milk, and coconut milk. Mix well. Step 4. Add a pinch of salt and vanilla extract. Step 5. Stir continuously over low heat for about 30 to 40 minutes, until the mixture thickens and becomes sticky but smooth. Optional. Add a drop of purple food color if your UBE is too pale. Keep stirring. It takes a little patience, but it's worth it. You'll know it's done when it starts to pull away from the pan. Serving tip. Once done, let it cool and transfer it to a container. You can eat it warm or cold. Serve it with toast, over ice cream, in pastries, or eat it as is. Tips and storage. Store it in the fridge for up to a week. You can even freeze it in small batches to use later in UBE cakes or lattes. If you loved this easy UBE recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more easy global recipes. Let us know in the comments. What should we cook next? QuickBite Kitchen. Big flavors, easy steps.